National Education Day 2025 ki Thouram ngasi DM University ki Department of Education simduna lecture program ama galoina na GP Women's College Imphal da Pangthokkhre oja amasung mahiroi kaya yauna college asigi library hall da pangthokpa Thouram aduda DM University ki Vice Chancellor Professor Wahengbam Chan Babu, GP Women's College DMU ki Principal Professor L Rajan amadi School of Humanities DMU ki Dean Professor K Indramanina sarugyaki. Education Age of AI haiba hiram da pangthokpa Thouram aduda tongan bawangang loisingna India gi ahanba Union Education Minister Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad puning singke Thouram aduga mari leinana DMU gi Professor Wahengbam Chan Babu na haikibada education gi mateng yaudravadi ngasi uriba miyoiba khunai ka hena maning handuna chalamgani miyoiba gi punsida education gi mateng na hiram khudingmakta ahong bu purakli Chakolapagi matungina miyoibagi brain na wakal khanmangambagi chang asida artificial intelligence na nakalamarom da chaitheng kaya piri haike wakal khanmangamba brain ama paliba asi sizinabagi mahuta artificial intelligence ke mateng na smart web browser digital application kaya sizinaba si afaba khudam nati haike masina miyoiba amagi asengba punsigi masak pukning wakal da fawba amadi maning tamna warep lobagi wakalon sing manghankiba yai haike maramaduna artificial intelligence amadi miyoibagi pukning wakal gi sizinapam asi chang amada thambagi tangai fadaba lei haina fongdoke.
Our education, the human civilization will take a very long course because of education and the way knowledge is flourishing through education, we are able to come up in a great way in terms of development, civilization, as well as transformation of values and systems all across the world. Today, artificial intelligence is basically influencing all our thought process, our mind. If all our thought process and the minds are allowed to be replaced by artificial intelligence, then where is the reality? Where lies your emotion? Where lies your own freedom of taking decisions and making decisions? Where lies your own rationality all about what is right and what is wrong? You rely completely on artificial intelligence. So how to give a balance between the use of technology and your own rational decision-making thoughts and the freedom of taking decisions without AI? How to make a balance between these two things?